Hello, State College of Florida students and faculty. I'm one of your librarians, Tim, and today I'm going to give you a quick virtual tour of our website. First off, we need to find the library website. Your best bet is the library button on the scf.edu homepage, but you'll also find links in Canvas and also My SCF, so you have easy access no matter what you're doing. So let's go ahead and go to the library page. Up at the tippy top here, you're going to find a set of quick links, one back to your My SCF portal. This goes to a survey that you can use to let us know how we're doing. Information on our textbook reserves. These are textbooks that you can use inside the library. If you'd like to take a book home for the entire semester, these are things that you're going to need to buy at the or rent at the bookstore. Library's textbooks are for quick reference while you're using the library. Last but not least, you have the Ask Us button. This will take you to our Ask a Librarian page where you can text, chat, or email us with questions for help with research assignments or questions about the library. Moving on down, this little house will take you back to the SCF homepage, right where you started. My Account takes you to where you can view the status of your book loans, any book requests you've made, and your saved searches. About Us. This is where we have more information about the library itself. These links are all pretty self-explanatory, and I invite you to explore them. Databases. This is where you will go for scholarly information. Guides. These are informational guides that we've created to help you in your classes and your college experience. They're good places to get started when you're working on a new assignment. Tutorials. For more videos like this, these are short video tutorials about how to research and different library services. Login help. If you've hit a login screen and you don't know how to get started, go ahead and click on here for more information. Quick search. This is where you can search for books, videos, DVDs, scholarly articles, and more. See our videos on finding scholarly articles and our search tools such as Primo for some tricks and tips and tricks on how to use this to its fullest potential. Along the bottom here, we have some more informational links. Uh, we have guides. These are study guides for written communication and speech communication. A lot of really helpful information packed in there. A list of our upcoming online workshops where you can pick up some new study skills or something to unwind. We do a mix of academic stuff and also some fun, just stuff for fun. Room reservations. You can reserve a room for private study or for a group. MLA and APA citation guides. You'll be spending a lot of time on this guide, trust me. Faculty resources is the last but not least. This is where instructors can go to request library instruction, find resources for your teaching that are based on current information literacy research, and get information on our policies and all the other services that we offer. Please let us help you help your students do their best here at SCF. If this video didn't answer one of your questions, please check out one of our other tutorials or go ahead and drop us a line in the Ask a Librarian widget. The library staff here really cares about your success at SCF, and we want you to do amazing things in life.